guys, today we're working on a 1969 Cub Cadet 125 with a Kwik-Way loader, trying to get it started in this cold weather. It's about 20 degrees outside right now and it's about 22 to 24 degrees inside. So it's been probably 3.5 years since this tractor started. So we'll try and get it running today and see how that goes. Over the last couple of days, I've done some work to this tractor, getting it ready. I charged the battery, I cleaned the points, filled it up with fluids, hydraulic fluid and gas. So hopefully it should be ready to go. So the tractor started fine and the loader worked and everything, but when I went to go drive it, the transmission wouldn't engage. And it's because this pulley here, which also runs the hydraulic pump for the loader, is connected to the shaft with a little roll pin, and the pin must have sheared off. So we'll have to replace that before we can go anywhere. Here's what's left of the roll pin that sheared off. There's the new one ready to go in. There's the new pin ready to go.